Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to add a custom domain to Ruly. Using this functionality, custom branded multi-tenant URLs can be configured. This can be used to set up a SaaS application with multiple customers, each with their own unique branding and URL. To set up custom domains, go to Configuration Settings. In the Settings table, there is a setting for custom domains. Click Open/Edit to open a list of pre-configured custom domains. Multiple custom domains can be added to this list. Click New to add a new custom domain. When adding a custom domain, there are two required fields: name and domain. The name field determines the words displayed within the tab. The domain field determines the actual URL. The domain used will have to be registered before using it with your Ruly application. The URL will have the DNS that will point to the front end of your Ruly app. Contact Ruly support to request the custom subdomain and set up the SSL certificate. In this example, I'll name the domain widget. And I'll add my domain for widget.com. There are also 3 optional fields for adding custom logos. Logo login screen determines the logo that appears on the login screen of your Ruly app. Logo top bar determines the logo that appears within the top bar. Logo favicon determines the logo that appears within the tab. Here we see I added some custom logos to these fields. There is also an optional field for choosing a theme. The theme determines the color of the top bar and buttons. Theme A and B are standard Ruly colors. The custom option allows you to select any color. For this example, I'll select a custom color. Now when I type in widget.com into the search bar and press enter, it loads the custom domain login screen with the configured login screen logo, the favicon logo, and the custom name. After logging in, here we see the top bar displays the custom top bar logo, as well as the customized theme color. When a custom domain is configured, the domain will be available within the current user field tree. This is useful to know from which domain or tenant the user is coming. Security or business logic can be configured to use a user's domain. For example, here we have an update operation that when an account is created, it sets the company field depending on the current user domain. Thanks for watching.